Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are in Walmart doing our Walmart couponing haul for Monday. This is the week of 1/17. I hope you all saw my Walmart coupon matchup video. If you didn't, go back and watch it. It gives you some good ideas on the couponing. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna grab 2 Ducalex. Matter of fact, I'm gonna grab 4. They are $1.98, but the coupon is for $3. So we're gonna grab 4 of those, okay? We did this. That's come out of the 1/16 newspaper. Grab 4 Bright Guard at $1.98. And one more. Okay, we're gonna grab these. Oh, there's. Okay, I gotta check the price for these bigs because I want to grab these because we got that $2 off 2 coupon. So let me see which one. So I see that white out is $1.88. We don't want that one. So let's look for it. I think it's up there. Let me check and see. Of course, we're gonna run these and see what the price is. Okay, those are the same thing. I'm looking for the big and the little squeezy too we used to use a long time ago. That's the big I'm looking for. So if they don't have it and those are too high, I'm gonna put them back because to me it's no use in me paying for something I can get free at another store, right? And we all know that Dollar General has been giving these out free. So I'm not gonna waste my time with them if I can't find the ones that's on sale. So they have a lot of big products, but I see where all of the little cheap bigs is missing out of here. So we'll scan those and see. I'm pretty sure they're not $1 though. So okay, so those pens right there, they 2 something, which I'm surprised that those pens are $2 or something. Here is some more big products. So trying to look and see which other bigs is up here. Okay, so they got these 8-pack red big pens. Those are $1.88, which is still kind of high. $1.57, that's high. Yeah, I'm not gonna pay for that, guys. So I'm gonna check the price, and then after I see that it's $1.57 for the crystal seeds, I'm not gonna get that. Okay, so again, we're gonna go and scan. Always scan your stuff, even in Walmart. Go to their scan. If you don't have an app, make sure you scan. It's okay. I do it all the time. Okay, and it's so fresh to see this. I like that. We're going look. All of the Easter stuff is out. Shorts, everything. So we'll be looking at that. Okay, these purse seals are $4.94. We have a $2 off coupon, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these purse seals. And guys, I'm actually doing a couponing, a little quick scenario that I want to do. Okay, I'm gonna grab 2 of these, and don't forget, guys, I'm gonna probably do a couple of different options. Okay, so first of all, this is what I'm gonna do because it looked like my big is not here, and I need to grab a cottonelle. So let's grab a cottonelle if they have the one we want to use. If not, we're not gonna use that. Okay, we're gonna put it back. We staying in a budget this year. Okay, that's $6.48, so we would not be getting that cottonelle. You know, we got a $1 off coupon, so we won't be getting that. Yeah, that's too high. When you could go buy cottonelle for $5 out of Walgreens, CVS, Dollar General, Family Dollar. So that's what we'll be using that coupon at, okay? It will not be here. Okay, we got 2 razors we're gonna get. Guys, I forgot my razors and I forgot the Jergens. So let's go back and get the razors and the Jergens to go along with this haul that we doing, a coupon haul, okay? So I got 2 packs of these razors right here. Okay, and we want to grab some Jergens too, so we're gonna grab, let me tell you guys what I'm gonna grab today. I'm gonna grab 2 of these right here. Okay, and those coupons are for $2 off. These are $2.83. So we have that. We got 2 of these, 2 Jergens, 2 of those. We got 4 of those, and we're gonna use 2 of these. I'm gonna try and use all 4 at one time. But if not, it's okay. It's giving us $1.02 overage for every one of these boxes. Okay, so this is how your haul should look, just like this. So 2 of those. This is a whole haul, not a just a couponing video. It's a haul. Okay. Hey, don't ask me in the store why these $5 we won't. I mean $13 we won't be getting that. And these is $4.83. So you know we won't be getting those, right? I want to go and check out the soft soap. Okay, the soft soap too has $3.97. So we won't be getting that. Okay, guys. So let's go and look at some clearances while we're here. So we're going to the clearance haul right here. Okay, so this is where I was trying to get to look into the clearance basket and see if I can find some big stuff in here. But I don't see it. It's just Elmer's Crazy Art. That's what it is. I thought I could find maybe some big pens in here. But these, I heard, is dirt cheap, man. Like a penny or something. Nope. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna scan them and see how much they are. Y'all know they still got them things at $1.12. Is they crazy? So that won't be happening. But look, all they folders are at 5 cents. So you can grab folders, 5-cent folders. I'm actually going to, let me see how they got them in the inside. See, I really need folders with the prongs in it, but these will do for now. Wait, I see some. These are 5 cents. Here they are with the inside on them. Okay. So, let's see these. Okay. So, I'm going to grab a couple of these. Probably $1 worth of folders, okay? So, and almost all the ones that's got the little middle part in them because I need that. I'm going to see how much those are in a minute. But here's some blue ones. They 5 cents. And wait, here's some orange ones. I guess somebody looked down and see they didn't have that middle piece and didn't want them. After that, oh, here's some more green ones. Oh, these are 5 cents and they the plastic ones. I like these. See, these are 5 cents and they those right there, okay? So I'm gonna grab some of these instead of those. Let me get a lot of these green ones. The kids gonna be mad. They're gonna be like, why all the folders green? Because this was a good price. Okay, here's some red ones. So I'm gonna grab some red ones. But they go inside like a binder. They go in a binder. So I'm gonna grab a couple of those. And I'll put these back, okay? Let me scan these. I want to know how much they are, actually. And those are still $2.76, so they won't be getting that from me. Let's see. These are $1 and some. What's wrong with them? Okay, it's something over here, 25 cents. And they are the solid binder pouch. These. Which, oh, that's the graphing paper. I don't want that. I already can't see that good. Graphing paper made me blind. So here, this is how their clearance is looking right now. This is it right here. This is their clearance. All of this. So just to show you, like this is the clearance aisles. This how it look right here. And we ain't even went over the clearance, the section where like different clearance stuff is at. This is it. Create and learn a DIY military kit. Oh my God. They got military kit. They got stuff up here. These are $3.50 for that little thing, which was cheaper during Christmas time. So watch these prices, guys. Sometimes they go up in the price. And here is a calendar 2020. Sometimes people use just the picture off the calendar. See those? They use those pictures. I noticed somebody had them as like a, it was a picture frame. They put it in a frame, so that's probably why they selling it. Look at that. Valentine's Day stuff, $30. Are they serious that we're going to use $30 on that stuff? Okay, guys, let me get somewhere and show you guys the coupons. They still got clothes, stuff on clearance. They got the troll styles on clearance. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. So one of them is $9. Minnie Mouse. That's a mouse. Although trolls are not. Because I just say trolls is hot commodities right now. Oh, they $6. Troll mermaid. She's $6.95. Some of them 12. Look at that. That is so cute to me. Those little things. Then they got all the little trolls. It's $3. Oh, what's 70 cents? Trolls Tiny Dancer. Let's see. Is that him? That's 70 cents. here. What's his name? I gotta see. But that is so cute. And if so, he's 70 cents. That might be him. So let me, I'm going to scan him. If he's 70 cents, I'm going to get him. Here's more stuff, clearance stuff. You guys know that's their clearance, right? Those are clearance stickers. Like this, when it had that, that's a clearance sticker. See? A clearance sticker. Regular sticker. Clearance. That's how it looks. So I came over here, I bought some dolls for $1. And those are actually donations. We have a toy drive at our church, so I'll be donating all of that. But let me show you guys the coupons so we can get out of here. Okay, we're going to use 2 of these for the big coupons. I already used these and I know that they work, okay? We're going to use 4 of these for the doll collects, okay? We're going to use 2 of these for the right guard, which came out of the Retail Me Not 1-3. Now, all of these old ones come out of the Retail Me Not 1-3. This came out of the Retail Me Not 117, and this is a new one. If you go look at my couponing, Walmart couponing matchup video, then I show you these in here, okay? So these are what we're going to be using. This should do our haul really well to bring this down. Oh, guys, if I can't find my Jergens coupon, I am going to put it back, okay? Because I'm not going to pay for it. Okay, guys, so let's go check out. Okay, guys, we are back from Walmart, and you see some of the stuff that I bought. But you know, we had overage up in here, so I had a order of ground beef in here. That was $7.98. So 99, $7.98, $8.98, $9.98, $10.98, $11.98, $12. All of this was free. These was like 5 cents a piece. I put 1 Jergens back because I did not have the coupon for it. They gave me a hard time about this. They did not want this to go through. The lady told me it was the picture that you go by, and I said no, it's the wording. But I went and I said just put it back. Then another manager walked over and said no, you don't go by the picture. She said, why would you say that? You've been couponing for a long time, you know. So I kind of thought the lady probably see me a lot up in the store and decided that she wasn't just going to be not let me get the stuff. So thank God another manager came over. But after we finished our entire haul with the ground beef onto this, what did we come up with? $12.36, guys. $12.36. So we paid $12.36. But remember, I paid for the ground beef, and these, after the $2 coupon, was $2 and some left. Then you had taxes on that, the dollars from these. So you had $2 off on every one of those. So those, the ground beef was like $7.98, $99. I mean $8.98, $9.98. Then these folders, and then taxes. So $12.98 is about right. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items for free, which to me is a great deal still. I'm kind of glad these coupons is running out because I was starting to get a headache up in Walmart with these, and I couldn't find anywhere else that I could use these at, okay? So once you burn them, people start burning so much of the coupon, the stores start saying, oh, we can't take that type of thing, because the first week I used them, it was no problem. So guys, just remember, hurry up and use them as soon as you get the coupon. But I still thought we did a great haul, because it was this that I wanted to bring the overage down in, and that's exactly what I did. Okay, thanks guys for tuning in. Bye.